Hello and welcome to A Good Stir. Today we're making a classic comfort food favorite, homemade sloppy joes. Forget the canned stuff. This version is quick, easy, and packed with flavor. The recipe is in the description box, so let's get started. Start by finely chopping 1 small onion and half of a green bell pepper. Mince or finely chop 3 garlic cloves. In a skillet over medium-high heat, brown 1 pound of ground beef for 4 to 5 minutes, breaking it up as it cooks. Add the onion and bell pepper and cook until they are softened for about 4 to 5 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for about 30 seconds or until it becomes fragrant. Stir in the tomato sauce, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, and apple cider vinegar. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more easy meals and hit that bell so you never miss a recipe. Also add salt and pepper to taste. Turn the heat down to medium-low and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce has thickened. Serve this on a toasted hamburger bun with a few dill pickle slices on the side for a perfect bite. And that's it! Easy, delicious, homemade sloppy joes. I hope you will give this recipe a try and make it part of your weeknight rotation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.